Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the 74LS48 BCD-to-7-segment decoder IC to control a 7-segment display using simple switches. Before we start, let's quickly understand what we are going to build. The 74LS48 takes 4 binary input and converts them into the signal needs to control a 7-segment display. The 7-segment displays has 7 individual LED segments labeled A to G. By turning these segments on and off in the correct combination, we can display numbers from 0 to 9. For this project, we need few simple components. We need a breadboard, a 74LS48 IC, and a common cathode 7-segment display. We also need a 4-way dip switch, 4 10 kilo ohm resistors, 7 pieces 220 ohm resistors, and some jumper wires. Now that we have all the components, let's build the circuit. First, I'm going to connect the upper and lower power rails of the breadboard. I will connect the blue negative rail on the upper side to the blue negative rail on the lower side. And I will connect the red positive rail on the upper side to the red positive rail on the lower side. Next, I will place the 4-way dip switch on the breadboard. Then I will place the 74LS48 IC, keeping the notch facing the left side. And finally, I will place the common cathode 7-segment display. I will connect one side of each switch to the positive power rail. Next, I will take 4 10 kilo ohm resistors and use them as pull-down resistors. I will connect the other side of each switch to the ground rail through a 10K resistor. This keeps the input low when the switch is off. When we turn the switch on, its input becomes high. Now let's power the 74LS48. I will connect pin 8 of the IC to the ground rail and pin 16 to the positive power rail. Now let's connect the 4 dip switch inputs to the BCD input of the 74LS48. Starting from the right side of the dip switch, the first switch connects to pin 7, which is input A. The second switch connects to pin 1, which is input B. And the third switch connects to pin 2, which is input C. And the fourth switch connects to pin 6, which is D. So our 4 switches provide the A, B, C and D BCD inputs to the IC. Now let's connect the outputs from the 74LS48 to the 7-segment display. For this, I will use 7 pieces 220 ohm resistors. I will place one resistor between each IC output and the matching segment of the display. Let's start with segment E. I will connect pin 9 of the 74LS48 to one side of 220 ohm resistor. Then I will connect the other side of the resistor to segment E of the 7-segment display. Now I will connect the rest in the same way. Pin 10 goes through a 220 ohm resistor to segment D. Pin 11 goes through a 220 ohm resistor to segment C. Pin 12 goes through a 220 ohm resistor to segment B. Pin 13 goes through a 220 ohm resistor to segment A. Pin 14 goes through a 220 ohm resistor to segment G. And finally, pin 15 goes through a 220 ohm resistor to segment F. At the end, I will connect the common cathode pin of the 7-segment display to the ground rail. And now our main circuit is complete. Let's connect 5V to the power rail and test the circuit. Let's test with binary 0001. With the switches set to 0001, the 7-segment display shows 1. Now let's change the switches to 0010. The display changes to 2. Next, let's set the switches to 0011. And now the display shows 3. Now we'll set the switches to 0100. The display shows 4. By the same way, we can display till 9. And that's it for this project. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel.